Hey guys, I'm Komal and welcome to Bali vlog part 2. So today we are going to explore an arts and culture center of Bali, that is Ubud. So stay tuned. To make the most out of your visit to Ubud, I recommend you to rent a scooter, and it is one of the best things to do in Ubud, believe me. Everywhere around town you will see signs scooter rental, so you can get it easily. To avoid the crowds, early in the morning we decided to go to the very famous Tegenungan waterfall. From Ubud center it is about 20 minutes south on a motorbike. Once you got down to the water, you can cross the river and climb up to second level. Because we decided to go early in the morning, as you can see there were no tourists and we got the best view of the waterfall. I really enjoyed watching these cute little pebble mountains all around the waterfall. And here is our homestay tour. The most important attraction of Ubud is Balinese traditional house. Everywhere you will see same typical structure of Balinese home. And to feel the Balinese culture in a best way, we decided to stay at a homestay. The Balinese traditional house follows a strict ancient architectural guide. And to maintain the culture in Ubud, more than 2-story houses are not allowed to build by the government. One of the first things you will notice in Bali is the little offerings to the spirits, made by hand with incredible artistry natural materials. Balinese women are in charge of making the offerings. A piece of palm or banana leaf is delicately trimmed, braided and pinned together to make a miniature tray, and it holds offerings like pinch of cooked rice, a slice of banana, a biscuit, a betel nut, a flower. The Balinese residential compound is dominated with pavilions which surround a central courtyard, and these pavilions acted as rooms. And every Balinese home has their own family temple which accumulates huge area of the house. We had a very nice breakfast in a beautiful Balinese home. Then we decided to have some fun activity and visit the monkey forest. The monkey forest Ubud is the sanctuary or natural habitat of Balinese long-tailed monkey. There are about 749 monkeys live in these 12.5 hectares of the forest. It is fun to see as there are always people around that try to play with them, but mostly they end up running away scared. So the best thing is to don't bring anything else they might try to catch the things. Then very near to Monkey Forest we visited Ubud Art Market. Bali is a paradise for artists and craft lovers. You will see some unique, small to huge artistic pieces all over the Bali. Ubud Art Market is one of the most important market in Bali. It is a market of stalls bursting with wood carvings, batik shirts, sarongs, jewelry, trinkets and all manners of souvenirs aimed specifically at visitors to the area. And very near to Ubud art market is Ubud Palace. The palace was the official residence of the royal family of Ubud. It has well-preserved Balinese culture and charming garden settings, but only the front section of the palace is open to the public. The architecture is beautiful, especially the wall and pillar decorations. Ubud Palace is the main center location of Ubud, where you will see many tourists around and many international restaurants just across the road. At the gate you will see local guides selling tickets for different Balinese traditional dance performances, out of which Kecak dance is a must watch. It will take you to the whole new experience. It is a form of Balinese Hindu dance and music drama that was developed in 1930s. The dance mainly plays above Ramayana and is traditionally performed in temples and villages across Bali. It is also known as Ramayana monkey chant. It is performed by a circle of at least 150 performers wearing checked cloth around their waist, percussively chanting Chak and moving their hands and arms, which depicts a battle from Ramayana. Kecak dance performances in Bali usually take part in the evening, and the duration of the performance is usually 1 hour. So guys, if you like the vlog, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified about my upcoming video, that is Bali vlog part 3. See you later, bye.